Toyeen Talks. To all our beautiful subscribers, we say thank you so much for staying with us. And you are new here, we are happy you find us. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will be notified for more upcoming videos. In the comment section, please no derogatory comments. Thank you all for watching. Till I will see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you all. Bye.
aráàlú lè dìde NGO lè dìde fónítàn so táwa bá lọ sí àwọn bá lọ nílò ní pé à ń rí pé kò ní ẹbí the fact pé yóò lẹ́bí kò bí pé kò lè ṣẹ́jú ẹ̀ kò bí pé bóyá kò so tí ilé ẹjọ́ bá rí wípé àwọn èèyàn dìde fún ẹni tí wọ́n ṣẹ́jú ẹ̀ tí wọ́n pa ẹ̀ wọ́n ní right to solicitor so that is the only way we can go about it but ẹ bá tí ìjẹ́ ká rò pé to that on the level, we will see the legal representation, the framework. Than a lawyer by chef, hello chef. Tabari be Mohbad fún ẹ gongo ni lawyer. Àwa ma wá dìde. Pẹ̀lú ìrànlọ́wọ́ yaralu, we will stand in. I will, pick up my team and we'll start to defend it.
Hello, everyone. And Yomi, ẹjọ́. Mo kàn fẹ́ sáré chip in ọ̀rọ̀ kan ni. Sherry, àti ẹ̀ ti solution ti wà ní ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Nǹkan tẹ́mi fẹ́ sọ my opinion o. Mr. Yomi kan kì í ṣe ẹnìkan. Mr. Yomi on his own is a company on his own. You understand? And I know with Mr. Yomi, Yeye Kudi and others working, táwọn bá ti ń fún wa ní information táwa fẹ́, ó ti tó. You understand? And we trust him, and he can give us the necessary information that we want as a company.
Prince, could you let me, Yomi Fabiyi finish his submission, please?
Yes. You can add thing what you want for me. I just.
Yeah, but please let him finish, please.
No problem.
Hello.
Go ahead.
So now as it is, we can bring in a lawyer, Ejeko Dijo on the level. So that on the level, I will be able to seek for the audience of the legal team. Mumba or Shekpo by now. Can get to me? I need to be honest with you, and they are really doing well. They are cooperating and they are supporting, including Mr. Famuyiwa. Can get. But the public do not want family sentiment. They become a sweeper under the carpet.
Exactly.
Because when a case is in the public glare like this, it's meant to sanitize and help the society. Ẹni tó fẹ́ wá ṣọlidé Nàìjíríà tó ti ṣe wàhálà a wà nílùú àjèjì ọkọ̀ abalẹ̀ adé Nàìjíríà a máa káyà sókè ẹjọ́ kí lè fẹ́ ṣe ogun ẹ̀dà jọ́ lè fẹ́ ṣe ogun ẹ̀dà.
You are speaking my mind, you are speaking my mind.
So nǹkan tí mo rò pa lè ṣe nìyẹn jẹ́ ká ní sùúrù. Let's wait. If after the level there is this month coming, I will speak and I will appeal to the legal team to allow public lawyer to come in. Normally there should be office of a public defender. But on to the Mohbad, then for office of a public defender, we go to the court. Come and share agbẹjọ́rò fún Mohbad bye. But nobody is applying for him on that. So instead of using office of a public defender, if the public now have money, they can now, seek the service of a lawyer also because OPD, Office of a Public Defender, and it's over near Olowa, it's your near Shani to Kulo, lawyer. Oh, yeah, key Office of a Public Defender, come one bed. Oh, yeah, come and jump from Lower by Nicorona inquest here. On the one Nicoro do be one the same court here. So, Toban and Bet about Tony. But whether they are in the court or on job for me, Timo, because I have never attended any of the inquests. They have to be there to defend the rights of the deceased. But in the absence of that, táwọn bá rí pé àfẹ́ lu àwọn aráàlú lè dáwó jọ ká seek service or any lawyer tó bá wò pé òun fẹ́ volunteer on pro bono, then it can pass through the NGO and then we apply that okay ó lè dá lọ fún rẹ̀ ó lè pass through NGO but òun fẹ́ dúró I want to advocate for ẹni tí wọ́n gbẹ ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ so kò fẹ́ mọ̀ bóyá ní bàbá kò fẹ́ mọ̀ bóyá kò níyà ó lè má lẹ́bi only right to be represented in the court of law when they are doing your case legally. So ohun tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ nìyẹn.
God bless you. Who else wants to talk?
Any more questions for Mr. Yomi? Mommy, one with God, one with the prince. Because Kid Boss sent the request. Please, I must bring you back. Let me bring Kid Boss. I think she has a question. Kid Boss, do you have a question for Mr. Yomi?
Yes, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Thank you, everyone. Yes, is concerning the
Good morning.
11. Yes, boss. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Kid Boss.
Yes, boss. Thank you. Well done. It's concerning on the 11th the protest. So.
Concerning what? I didn't pick that.
Said concerning on the 11th about the protest.
Our network is not good.
We have said it before now.
This, please?
We have said
it. Maybe she's not here then.
Mr. Yomi, the question that the prince asked you and about the NGO that's already taken over this case, Mohbad case with Baba together, I think and allege that the judge in Corona inquest that doesn't want the lawyers. I think that is what I heard. That's standing for the NGO.
I don't know the veracity of that. I don't know what the honorable judge saw or what was argued to reject that application. I don't know, and until I investigate that. But I want to believe that on a very good day, except there's going to be overcrowded stuff. That's what the judges look like. I need to know who is, standing, or if there's anybody representing the public. There could be any. Lawyer to work with Baba Mohbad. One is clear now. He come and represent Baba Mohbad. He come and represent Mohbad. Or could you one shemeji papo? Get, and they feel like we have to just make do with one. And we have to still trust whoever. And to buy the daily, I don't know if I represent and to on Shishaloni because and to go defend Aremo. And that is how a society works when you pass away and unjustly. Don't people your more tackle local way, Lopamole, a being on local way, Omoel, no me call Bion, Uncover baby or Tamomi, Aboko Momio, what if I should read Lola Kum Bemie, Bukoye, they are about what did they on Vegafu. The likes of late she Ganify me. Only the Latin may be only to Koto loss of and it will talk by you, who fed drove from a Vegafu to the Maripun by it. And the same thing with Barrister Femi Falano SAN. These are people that have been able to come out and fight for any thought here, Mori. Really? That's the way I'm also doing. That's the same way you're also doing. We'll see Timo Badi with Amoli and Lua. But that is how society works. So, whatever the case may be, I just can't on the 11. But to have the Ale, a Nick Para picture because after the court session, we'll be able to have a tete with the legal team, and then I will raise this concern. What shall I to Shele? Because as we speak now, what is Senator Fears to come? Come as any only or Tanu Kesi, only Kalukutoshi Pewa, or Kamuloye Wani. Then Baba no. Only the lawyer. Come on, Jafun or so maybe Baba's lawyer are representing Baba and the public. Or represent Baba who need to call to personal meji. But let's get to that and we will know. But
can I ask you one question again? Is it possible for Baba Mohbad to step down for the public to take over this case?
ìyẹn ó máa lè sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ torí pé
let Yomi
lè mọ̀ kò sẹ́ni tó mọ̀ kàn bí ọlọ́mọ though in this case àti rí i pé àríyá tó jẹ́ ìyá ọmọ tó ti ń bọ̀ ta sọ pé àwọn ò gba ìbọ̀dé ìyàwó ọmọ tó ń jù nǹkan sójú olórí ọmọ wọn tí ó fi ọmọ wọn lẹ̀ tí so gbogbo yẹn náà tàbá rí i pé bóyá mentally or the mental strength of the baba is not there but tí àwọn lọ́ọ̀yà wọn bá ṣì lè dúró tó bá dúró digbí lè sọ pé bàbá kúrò bẹ́ẹ̀ because spirit ẹ̀ máa wà nínú case yẹn forever until tó bá tó rí justice.
Mr. Yomi, do you know this question?
Let me ask my own question.
Sorry, Auntie Yeti. Mr. Do you know this question is that it's not as if Baba is going to step aside totally. It's not. It's going to take his hand off of the case. He's going to be there, but they will see the public lawyer as a representative rather than Baba going in and out. You know, moving from one point of this.
ẹ má ti kánjú ẹ jẹ́ kí tó bá ti lè indict torí pé corona inquest lè ọkọ̀ máa suggest sí DPP ni tó bá ti suggest pé ìwádìí táwọn ṣe fún yín rèé o the corona inquest is still a subset of the DPP so tó bá ti ṣe iṣẹ́ tó fẹ́ ṣe tán tó ti pàṣẹ ọkà sí wa létí tó dẹ̀ pàṣẹ sí wọn sí director of public prosecution tó bá ti wò pé ok àwọn ibi tí àwọn tá rò pé wọ́n ní case láti answer lélẹ̀ offence tí lágbájá ti committee rẹ̀ eléyìí tó committee nǹkan tẹ́ lè charge fún lélẹ̀ tó bá ti advice sí wọn tí DPP òun ni Lagos State máa wá ṣe kí ni so it's going to be Lagos State versus whoever tí wọ́n bá charge so níbẹ̀ yẹn ibẹ̀ yẹn la ṣe máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ dán gangan kò tí yẹn ẹ jẹ́ kí a lè prepare ká máa stand by lawyer lẹ̀ ṣe get me but we would wait and be looking at the procedure kò èmi for now èmi ò tí ì rí ẹ̀bọ̀dì wọ́n lè má ṣiṣẹ́ bá ṣe fẹ́ but wọ́n ń gbìyànjú ó ti yẹn so ẹ jẹ́ ká ní sùúrù káwọn òye tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n ṣe tán wọ́n bá ti put up charges.
Another question. I believe you'll be following this case from day one, right? And with your recent investigation, and do you think we have enough evidence to prosecute the criminals?
The point is, as we speak now, anyway, the corona inquest, in the light of new information available, they re-invited, including the wife of the deceased, and and in the absence of the testimony of the driver, to report èmi ò ní follow touches of ọlọ́pàá. Can't get me. Corona inquest is doing their own. The court might see judgment lórí ẹ̀. So at this point now, ibi tá ṣe gbadé, one ultimate test which is the autopsy, which came inconclusive. So let's wait on the family to come up with their own autopsy. And àkọ́kọ́ nìyẹn. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì, let's wait on the driver. Kó wá corroborate pé ṣé lóòótọ́ ni wọ́n ṣe kí ni wọ́n fọ́ gíláàsì mọ́tò ẹ̀ tí ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń yọ tí ó rẹ̀ ń ṣe owó ẹ̀rẹ̀ rú lọ ṣé lóòótọ́ ni wọ́n jà lórí Third Mainland Bridge ṣé jà wá láàrin ẹni báyìí àtẹni báyìí then tó bá ti sọ gbogbo àwọn incidents ìjà láàrin Prime Boy ìjà láàrin Yomi tó bá ti establish ẹ̀ then we'll get a clearer direction then of course nọ́ọ̀sì ò tí sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́mi gbọ́ ní corona inquest tí nọ́ọ̀sì bá sọ fún wa nígbà tí mo débẹ̀ o mo ṣe ń bọ̀ lójú ọ̀nà o mo ní mi ò lè ráyè lénìí mo débẹ̀ mo dẹ̀ dé níjọ́ kejì ẹni báyìí pè mí gbogbo àwọn tó pè yẹn lásán tó bá ti lè establish pé àwọn báyìí pè òun tí ó dẹ̀ rí pé yàwó fóònù ẹ̀ mọ́ ẹ̀rí jáde ṣáwọn báyìí ló engage ẹ̀ fún service báyìí àwọn yẹn náà wọ́n ti kọ́kọ́ wọ̀ náà then at the end of the day tó bá wá sọ kí ni tó dé bá aago mélòó ló débẹ̀ ó láti sọ̀gbà tó débẹ̀ aago tó débẹ̀ yẹn ló máa determine àwọn nǹkan tí ó wà recorded ládùúgbò yẹn torí ó kọjá lára àwọn bíi kámẹ́rà aládùúgbò bíi 2 sí 3 tí ó wọ̀n gédégbé ṣẹ́ńgẹ́tì mi táìmù dẹ̀ wà ń bẹ̀ so tó bá débẹ̀ tó bá sòótọ́ à compare pẹ̀lú ntàwárí ohun tó wà ń bẹ̀ tó bá ti mú irọ́lẹ̀ à jẹ́ kó yí adájọ́ pé ẹni náà tutù parọ́ olúwa mi wọ́n lè fi kún ẹ̀sùn àti charges tó máa fi gbé lọ court.
Okay.
Then to add
Mr. Yomi, you and your team, Have you gone through the first police statement, the CTC, and the statement of the witnesses?
Gbogbo ẹ̀ láti gbogbo àjọ fetí gbọ́. Police on the preliminary report sílẹ̀.
Yes.
The beauty part of it is that when a case like this come up, until even court here dájọ́ gan, it is still going to be open. So police ò tí ever sọ pé this case is closed. Àwọn ti ṣe gbogbo nǹkan tó yẹ káwọn ṣe, àwọn dẹ̀ di pé òótọ́. No, so lọ́dọ̀ ọlọ́pàá is still as nígbà tó yẹ kó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lẹ̀ gan ni. Corona inquest náà ó ní ohun tó ń retí tí wọ́n ti fi àyè lẹ̀ pé ẹni ẹ̀tọ́ kẹ̀sìn kan báyìí. So that's what I'm saying, that the legal team they are working. Wọ́n béèrè fún kankan ó ní ohun tí ilé ẹjọ́ ń retí. So ẹ jẹ́ kí yẹn délẹ̀ then ẹ jẹ́ kí nọ́ọ̀sì yẹn sọ ṣégbà tó débẹ̀ kí ni condition tó bá ẹni ṣé ẹni tí ó wà òkè tó ń sùn ní àbẹ́ni tó wà nínú ìnira burúkú. Ibi tí wọ́n dẹ̀ bá ti jẹ̀bi nìyẹn pé nígbà tẹ́ni wà nínú ìnira tó pọ̀ tó ìtí nọ́ọ̀sì dé bá ìwọ tó jẹ́ ìyàwó a custodian tó clinic wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ lé ẹ tó hospital wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ lé ẹ kí ni ìdí tẹ́ ẹ̀ ṣe fẹ́ gbé lọ kí lẹ̀ ń cover kí ló fa ẹ̀jẹ̀ tó pọ̀ tó yìí so tí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn bá ti jọba làwọn táwọn yẹn tó bá ti ṣe kíní la máa tó mọ̀ pé àti rojú ọ̀rọ̀ in fact nídìí ju adjournment ẹ̀yọ̀ kan sí lọ gbogbo tí ń jẹ́ tọ́lọ́hún ká lè bẹ̀rẹ̀ case pẹ̀lú whoever tó bá ti wà culpable so mi ti lè sọ categorically pé báyìí ni but we gonna bring all the pieces together and kò sí bó ṣe fẹ́ parọ́ tó kò fọlọ́ máa búra wọ́n máa búra tó fẹ́ tira wọn sínú ṣọ̀lọ́ ni tó dẹ̀ máa tún jẹ́ kí inú bí ilé ẹjọ́ wípé dájúdájú ẹ̀ ń cover and it's a criminal offence to cover up murder is a criminal offence to aid and abet is criminal offence to conspire to commit murder and it's also criminal offence to obstruct police investigation charges mẹ́rin yẹn ẹ̀wọ̀n ńlá gidi ni tí o ṣe fọwọ́ra lórí fún gbogbo àwọn tó wà nílé yẹn àfitọ́ bá bọ́ta sòtọ́.
Mr. Yomi Fabiyi, can someone answer her question? Vengeance.
Thank you very much, Momieti. Mr. Yomi, God bless you. I must say your involvement in this case has actually changed the landscape of the case into a positive direction. You have done so much.
Involvement alone.
Yes, God is involved. You have done so much. I knew how much you tried doing Baba Jisha, and then your antecedents speak volume for you. So I'm actually happy that you're also here fighting for justice for Mohbad. Momieti asked me a question about why the public lawyer involvement was rejected at first, and I think I have an answer to that question because I heard lawyer Bankole Smith when he granted interview for Arifa, and he stated categorically that the magistrate turned down their involvement because Adada University, who is the pioneer of that foundation, is not residing in Nigeria. So it was not Baba legal team that turned down that Bankole Smith involvement. It was the magistrate herself. So, and she has a personal reason why she does that. And what she gave was that...
Because they are not residing in Nigeria.
Yes, that's what she told Bankole Smith. So that they cannot, if they need that, to come around.
You are residing in Nigeria.
That she could not. Hello?
We are residing in Nigeria.
God bless you.
Make our application.
That's why it might be difficult for them
I
to
will
just
speak with the legal team if there is need for it.
Yeah. So I love the way that you are ready to assist the case and work hand in hand with Baba legal team in whatever way, so that this case can be brought to closure. There are physical, there are medical, there are spiritual evidences all over everywhere about involvement of Wunmi in this case, in this crime of Mohbad. All they have to do is to make those evidences tenable in the court of law. If those evidences...
I think the network is not helping matters.
We can hear you, Mr. Yomi.
Can you hear me, please?
Yes.
Okay. I said there are medical evidences, there are physical evidences, there are spiritual evidences that shows that Wunmi, Cynthia Adebanjo hands are not clean concerning the sudden fire of Mohbad. And all what they have to work towards is to make those evidences tenable in the court of law. So that one is sacrosanct. People know, everybody knows that lady's hands are not clean.
But to make it tenable, that's the major thing that people, you and the legal team should help us to work on.
Like I said, the legal team at the moment they are trying.
Yes, sure.
I've been able to expatiate on the key evidences available at the moment, and they are facts. Number one, the old conspiracy of waiting for a nurse, like coming, blah blah blah, and the nurse eventually came, and there was problem. But on top this side, on behalf of Mohbad, there is a criminal offense for that. It's non-negotiable. Then the fact that the wife raised suspicion on Ju Kosuno Koto is another concern. The fact that she also alleged Etipa shows clearly that she confirmed that he did not die of natural death.
Confirm.
She is certain that some people are responsible. Then who? She needs to tell us. And under oath, when they are investigating this kind of a case, you brought up the allegation. Who were you referring to? You need to confirm it. And then at the end of the day, if it is a conspiracy or a synergy, you cannot come back and tell us that what give you the conclusion? What give you the why did you think the part? So all these instances and other things like allegation of infidelity is enough because Mohbad for a low accused. And the message here to want the power and it's Mohbad is obasun. And you understand? Baba de to so pe omo ohun funra ohun to so funra ohun ipe ìyàwó ohun o fi nǹkan sonje fún ohun o de bayan sunu le. Get me? And again, iCloud there. I'm kilode to clear iCloud. Then Timo, Tia Mohbad ba fe padà tú asoto, ṣé lóòótọ́ ni ó wá gba fóònù Mohbad lọ́wọ́ ya. Tó bá ti sọ gbogbo yẹn, that is too overwhelming. And that is where the government needs to be careful. Because if all these things are staring before the public, and then they want to now twat it, kò sí òfin kò sí sáànì tó lè yọ ọkọ lè help yàn yẹn láti kóyè kó fẹ́ dọ̀jẹ̀ díẹ̀ bọ̀ kókó ọbẹ̀ ni pé n tó wà lẹ́yìn ti pọ̀ jù. Kò ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ sáànì kò ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ ó ti pọ̀ jù.
Well done. I'm back. Sorry for the break the other time. The first question I have is concerning 11th. On the 11th September, you mentioned that from the court, they will be going to the grave. That's the former place they buried him. And then they will do a lot of things. Yes, fine. But I want to ask, is there any security as regards that? Is there any provision for security of people that will be moving around that time? Yes, sir.
Èmi ò mọ àwọn tó ń ṣe fracas o mi mọ àwọn tó ń ṣe ara ń kọ Gaza ara ń kọ everybody gbogbo àlà ń gbọ́ orin bọ̀bọ̀ yìí ó dẹ̀ ń rán wa létí so at the end of the day ẹjọ́ ta lẹni náà tọ́ba náà fẹ́ attack kí ló fẹ́ attack fún ẹyọ yẹn sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ká bọ́sibọ́sí to answer your question security tiẹ̀ wà ìyẹn ni pé for control. But when you attacking it's just for control.
Yes, and to make sure yes, one of the reasons why I mentioned that, Nick, you know the situation of the country. A lot of people.
Yes, keep boss.
Yes.
Our army don't want NGO me.
Okay.
They are even coming and they are coming in their uniform.
Very
no NGO, they have one bed.
Share more a lot of people anti-protest one stage that people don't even know the main protest and they don't know the reason why they were giving money to attack the protesters. Did you remember when they asked one of them? Okay, boss.
Government, am I mistaken? The only person, the only set of people is the government. I have worked with them and I know how it works. The only person that can sanction is the government, whether at the state or federal level. That means pé tí ilé ẹjọ́ máa sọ ẹ wo ẹ bá wa lé wọn pa o. Ṣùgbọ́n pé èèyàn kan tí ó sì pa èèyàn tó ń sá kíjokíjo kọ̀ọ̀ràn kí wọ́n ní kọ́ wá lé wa yẹn. Owó yẹn wọ́n máa fi lọ lé babaláwo pé ẹ ṣáà máa ṣe kọ́nà bá mi kó sí wọn lọ́kàn kó má yíwọ́. Wọn ò ní ẹni yóò lẹ́mìí ẹ̀. Torí àwa ta bọ́ta gangan kò ṣe pàwọn gan ò tí ì sign àti sign wọ́n ti gé etí wa lọ. Ẹ̀kejì bẹ̀ òun ni pé a ti ṣe ohun tó yẹ ká ṣe. We have informed the police under the law. A fẹ́ péjọpọ̀, we have right to assembly. Ìlú wa ní ẹ̀mí èèyàn là ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀. Ẹni tó bá sọ pé ìjọba lòun àbí ilé ẹjọ́ lòun bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe fẹ́ kóra yín jọpọ̀ tẹ́ fẹ́ jà fún ẹni tó kú yẹn àná òun ò fẹsẹ̀ ẹni yẹn gbọ́ngàn lọ́tà ìlú. Ẹni ẹni ò yẹ kó jókòó sí ipò ìjọba tí ó jẹ́ ipò tí nǹkan táwa ní. Tó bá ti gbé gbèsè tọ́jà láti arrest èèyàn kan àbí kọ́ pa mọ́lẹ́mọ́ èèyàn kan kọ́ ṣe gbọ́ ẹ̀. Any organization tí ó bá jẹ́ ó ti dọ̀tá lù, that is the people who face. The country must stand up for once and say kì í ṣe ẹrú. Ẹ lè rò pé kàwé ẹ ti allow illiteracy, lack of education to stay long within us, to make us think that ti ẹ̀ ní right lórí ìlú wa. It's no longer democracy, the government of the people, for the people and by the people. It is time for us then to stand up and say, not on your life. Whoever Adema to decide the room. So tell anybody, but you can't decide the room. Lábẹ́ òun tẹ́ lọ pàṣẹ pé ẹ lọ lé wọn pa tí òun ṣe ní yẹn gangan ló pàṣẹ. Ó ti mọ̀ pé òun gangan ló máa rú ẹrù yẹn. Because ibi tí àwa ní ìmọ̀dé, I know who can order such things. I know who can effect such things. BDSS wa mo mẹ́rin tó lè ràn wọ́n. Because the only thing they can do is to protect those peaceful demonstrators. So ẹyọ yẹn kúrò campus wọ́n sí. I can tell you categorically, we don't have that kind of leadership in Lagos State. I know firsthand when I see a leader who has humane conduct, he loves democracy, he loves to appreciate people's rights. Because some of the time when you exercise rights, and that is the governor of Lagos State, Governor Fabiyi Sanwo-Olu. When we were doing the SRs, he came over and he protested with us. Also, the governor did not say anything back. I'm our governor, Thomas Soropada now. So, a lot to respect, a lot to give kudos for any to control it. To get one sort of see, instead of share, and he still continue to lead the state.
Huh?
I'm a governor to get nígbà tó ti kú sí kò sẹ́nibọ̀dì tó lè wò pé inú òun ti ẹ̀dùn ó ṣe òbá kan òun ti ẹ̀kú lọ sójú orí ẹ̀ because ẹni yẹn kò náni aráàlú ó ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ sí student ló sọ̀rọ̀ sí everybody. But this is a governor that naturally would like, I can't even enjoy this governance if I trample on the rights of the people that vote for me. So for Kobale, I am telling you categorically, it's a non-negotiable right that you have. They will not do that. Don't make noise. Don't chant against the government. Don't anybody please calm down. We are not here for that. Just justice for Mohbad. And those security will take care of that. Meanwhile, they can't sponsor such people. So any suru pay your part. Be civil. Do your rights by holding your placard. Then come back to Paris Court. We move to where we are going peacefully. We will only prepare for it, but I can tell you categorically it cannot come.
It's funny.
I hope I've answered you.
Are you joking?
I'm not joking. Have you not seen him?
What are you talking about?
Bossman.
Yeah, Ben, yeah, I think it's fine. Yeah, Bossman. Physiquement.
There's nothing I want to ask you. We live together.
Don't laugh at me.
Physiquement.
Peso.
Ah, my boss.
Wait, what?
Yeah, I don't know her.
Mom. Oh,
Yeah.
can you help me